My name is Aurora, and I'm with the Customer Success team here at Intrinio. Today I'm going to show you how to make a batch call for options prices. To start off, I'm on our documentation page. On our options prices batched real-time endpoint. One thing to note that you are also able to use this endpoint with 15-minute delayed options data as well. If we take a look at our documentation, here you can see the endpoint as well as parameters. You may notice that this endpoint looks a little different than most of our items on our documentation page. That's because whereas most endpoints you're able to just select a get, with this endpoint you're actually able to make a post and post a list of contracts that you would like pricing for. Let's see it in action. Today I'm using Postman to test this endpoint. First, let's go ahead and switch our query type to post. We've then put in the endpoint as well as our API key. Next, we will go to make sure that our API body has a list of contracts we're looking for, is in raw format, as well as JSON. From there, we just select send. And here we go. There's a full list of prices for the 3 contracts I selected. Easy as that.